Hey, what's up? Hola, ¿qué tal? Today, we're going to do a different lesson. We will introduce you Yoga for Kids. Hoy vamos a hacer una sesión un tanto diferente, porque vamos a presentar unos ejercicios de yoga para niños y para niñas. Hay que tener en cuenta que para hacer estas actividades, estos ejercicios, tenéis que ir siempre con mucha precaución. Vamos a verlo. Keep your feet together and palms joined in a prayer. Take deep breaths to regulate your breathing. Inhale and raise your arms above your head. Arch your back and look up your hands. Exhale slowly and bend forward, placing your palms on either side of your feet and your forehead touching your knees. Inhale and take your right leg back in a big backward step. Keep your hands firmly in place and your left foot between your hands. Tilt your head up. With slow exhalation, move your left foot back to where your right foot is. Keep your arms straight. Raise your hips and bring your head close to the floor. Inhale deeply. Your body should form an inverted V. Exhale and lower the body to the floor. Let only the forehead, chest, hands, knees, and feet touch the floor. Inhale and lift your chest into cobra pose and keep your arms straight in a place. Exhale and slowly raise your hips to come back to the invert V. Do not bend your knees. Inhale and move your right leg forward, placing your right foot between your hands. Tilt your head up. Exhale slowly and raise up, bringing your left foot forward to where your right foot is. Inhale and raise your arms above your head, arching your back and stand firm in place. Exhale and slowly bring down your hands to your chest like the first pose. I hope you enjoyed with the activity. Espero que hayáis disfrutado con la actividad. Nos vemos el próximo día con más cosas en nuestro Play in English. And stay at home, please. Bye bye.